Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first physical steps. Remove SIM, take a quick photo of the home screen, and place the phone in a slim protective sleeve to avoid scratches. Once done, tuck the included minimal packing list and a care card beside the device so buyers see basic specs. Make sure to use a sealed blind bag pouch sized to hide model identity but still protect the phone. This prevents accidental damage and maintains the surprise element for the recipient. You now focus on the middle, more detailed steps. Wrap the sleeved phone in a soft cloth and secure corners with bubble film to protect against drops in transit, and then add a desiccant packet to control moisture. Next, include an anti-static strip to avoid ESD during handling, then slide everything into the blind bag pouch and seal with a tamper-evident sticker. Once sealed, log the bag ID and take one exterior photo for tracking. This preserves accountability without revealing the mystery inside. Finish by placing the sealed blind bag into a shipping box with minimal filler so the bag won't shift. Then apply your label and tracking. Make sure to inspect the sealed pouch for any tiny tears or punctures and transfer the contents to a fresh pouch if you find damage, because a secure seal keeps the surprise intact. If a buyer reports a problem, instruct them to send documented photos and offer a clear return or refund path. This single troubleshooting step resolves most post-delivery disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.